What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here. So today we're going to be doing this 2022 Kia K5. It's a brand new vehicle. And we're going to be doing our standard IRFX ceramic film that blocks up to 64% of heat. We're going to be doing that in 30% down the sides and the back. Nothing on the windshield, no strip, no full windshield, nothing like that. So the client just dropped off the vehicle. I haven't even got into the vehicle, I haven't even touched the vehicle. They just dropped it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process I use for checking in a vehicle and also documenting some before and after pictures. So in a nutshell, you're gonna take a bunch of pictures before you even get into the car or touch the car so you can document any pre-existing damage or anything like that. And then you're gonna tint the car, and then afterwards, you're gonna take the same grouping of pictures so that you have documentation of what the vehicle looked like after you tinted it and before it goes sent off. This is going to help and protect you just in case that maybe, let's say there's a scratch that was there before the vehicle even showed up to you. You have pictures and proof of it before you even touch the car. And let's just say that the client takes the vehicle and curbs it or gets scratched on it. Gets a scratch on it, and they want to blame you for it because you're the last one who worked on it. Well, if you're taking post pictures and you can show the area that's damaged, and you can prove and show that area was not damaged when it left the shop, then now you have a little bit more coverage. So this is a process that I completely stole from a shop I worked at during the wintertime, Ultimate Window Tint down in Orlando. They utilize Tint Wiz, and this is the process that they use for checking in and checking out vehicles. It's an amazing process, and it just covers your bases. And then also you really start to build up a collection of pictures for the cars that you've done for before and afterwards as well, and that will be logged in. So before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and start recording my screen, and I'm gonna try to bring this in here. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take a bunch of pictures, and we're gonna take 10 pictures total. Okay, so first one's gonna be right up front. Next one is gonna be like a kind of a catty corner shot right here. Next one's gonna be just the front half, from the bumper to halfway of the car. Back half. We're gonna do the same corner shot right here. Straight on back shot. Corner shot again. Back half. Front half. And front quarter. So what we're doing here is we're just basically getting every single angle of the vehicle, and then let's just say there's something right here. I'll have two angles. I'll have that front half angle, and I'll have this corner angle. So it's gonna give us redundant pictures and hopefully give us double protection. So we take the pictures with the phone camera first, because you can only take one picture at a time, I believe, in Tint Wiz. So now that we've taken the pictures, we're gonna go ahead and open up our Tint Wiz app. We're on the dashboard right now. I'm gonna go into this account here. I have already checked in, but when you click on the account here, I've checked in already, but you can hit check in right there, and then that way you know what time you started, you time stamped it and started it. This is good for you, or it's good for your employee, whoever is gonna be doing the work itself. And I'm gonna go ahead and slide down here over to project attachments. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and click. You can tap, drag here to upload. So I'm just gonna tap that, and photo library, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that, and I have all my pictures up right here. I'm gonna go ahead and select all 10 pictures, and we're gonna go ahead and hit add. Now they're just putting it in here, getting it prepped and ready. The next step here is I'm gonna go down to tags. I'm gonna hit before, and then now all the pictures are tagged as before. Okay, and then from here, now everything's ready. All you have to do is hit start upload, and then what that's going to do is going to start uploading all those pictures up to the app. And now once it does take a moment to do this, and you do need Wi-Fi for this, or cellular network. So if you're just using like an iPad that doesn't have cellular network, it does need to be connected to Wi-Fi, just to let you know. If not, I don't believe that the pictures will upload because there's nowhere for it to go. And so it's gonna take a moment to upload, but once it uploads, now it's gonna be saved within the project. And then you can go ahead and delete the pictures from your phone. You don't need to save it on the phone because all these pictures will be saved on the database within TintWiz. So as you can see, now I can see all the pictures. I don't need to go into detail and give like front quarter, front half, whatever. But they're all tagged as before. And this is the, you know, now within the project. I have to double check, but I'm curious now because I've taken pictures and this account or this project was tagged specifically for a 2022 Kia K5. I'm curious that when I pull up pictures in the future, will these pictures pull up? That'd be an awesome resource, especially if you're maybe not at first, but once you start getting cars rolled in and you continuously use TintWiz, when you're checking in clients or you're talking to clients, you're able to go ahead and pull up past pictures of the same vehicle, and then that way people can see what it would look like as well. So that's the check-in process, and I'm probably not going to show you the checkout process, but it's the exact same thing. You take pictures with your phone, all 10 pictures, and then you upload the same, and then you tag it as after, and then you upload, and you're good to go. And then now you can check out and send the client the invoice, and then you're done. But this definitely gives you an extra layer of protection in regards to liability when clients try to pull stuff like pre-existing damage. You can prove and show that that was there, or damage that they did after they left your shop, and try to blame you for it. You know, obviously this is not something you tell your client, but this is just an extra coverage that you do for yourself. So now that that's taken care of, I'm gonna go ahead and get the car into the garage and we're gonna start working on it.